Instagram, Facebook. This is a Grant Cardone housekeeper. So right now, I always clean up before the housekeeper comes. I make sure I move everything out clean. I clean the kitchen. I'll show you how to do it briefly. I clean the kitchen. After I clean the kitchen, I'll make sure I take everything out the bathroom so the housekeeper can do a deep cleaning. They can do the baseboards. I like a clean toilet. I like a clean bathroom. They can deep clean the tub, clean some of the baseboards, they clean the kitchen. I have them clean the mirror. That's what Grant Cardone helped me do. Help me have enough money to provide a job, man. If I don't help somebody else who needs some help, here's $160. Here's $180. Clean my apartment because I am shitty. I used to do this for a living. I hate cleaning now. But let me help you. Can you help me out? Boom. That's why I'm working with Grant Cardone. Need that extra money, man, because it's going to be a challenging year. You know what? You can always say, I'm broke so many times. Sign up to my channel now.